Alright, let's make Schnitzel. Crispy, golden perfection straight from Germany to your kitchen. If you've never tried making this at home before, trust me, it's easier than you think. I'll walk you through every step, so grab your apron and let's get started. First, you need thin cuts of meat. Traditionally, it's veal, but pork or chicken works great too. Lay your cutlets between 2 sheets of plastic wrap, then gently pound them out with a meat mallet or even a rolling pin until they're about a 1/4 inch thick. This isn't just for fun, it helps them cook evenly and stay tender. Now let's season. Sprinkle both sides with a good pinch of salt and pepper. That's your flavor foundation, so don't be shy. Next up, the breading station. One with all-purpose flour, one with beaten eggs, and one with plain breadcrumbs. First, dip your meat in the flour, shake off the excess. Then into the eggs, let the extra drip off. Finally, press into the breadcrumbs. Get a nice even coating, no bald spots allowed. Time to fry. Heat about 1/2 inch of neutral oil, like vegetable or canola, in a large skillet over medium-high heat. You want it hot, but not smoking. Carefully lay your schnitzels in. Don't crowd the pan, or they'll steam instead of crisp. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes per side until they're golden and crunchy. Flip just once for max crispiness. Once done, set them on a wire rack or paper towels to drain off any extra oil. Squeeze a little fresh lemon juice on top and that's it, classic schnitzel ready to eat. Serve it with potato salad fries or just a wedge of lemon. It's crunchy, juicy, and honestly, a total crowd pleaser. If you enjoyed this simple step-by-step, hit that like button. Subscribe for more tasty how-tos, and don't forget to share with your foodie friends. I love reading your comments, so drop your schnitzel questions or tell me your favorite way to enjoy it down below. I love reading your comments, so drop your schnitzel questions or tell me your favorite way to enjoy it down below. Thanks for cooking along with me. I'll see you in the next one.